Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco xelsis either espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was leaking from this side over here. A lot of water was coming out through this, and that was because the valve that you see right here, this one, as you can see, it's been leaking before. There's frost around it, there's some corrosion over here, and it was just leaking from this part, so it just needed to be replaced at that point. And well, we're gonna test it out. Starting with one espresso. Then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. Okay, so the water will get pulled from the water tank, going all around the flow meter, going to the water pump, then going to the thermal block, and the thermal block it goes to this ceramic bag. This ceramic bag pushes water through the brew valve and through the infuser, and then it goes to the cup. Good shot of espresso coming out, and as you can see, no leaks coming from that valve or anything like that. Perfect, really good shot of espresso, excellent color, and good crema. Now we're gonna be using the hot water of the machine. We have to wait for the machine to heat up, and then we'll check around if there's any leaks. Right now the temperature of the machine is up to pressure. We should see the nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Good temperature as well. You can see something coming out, and again, no leaks from here or anything like that. Now we're gonna use the steam. Again, we gotta wait for the machine to heat up and get up the pressure. Okay, now that the machine is heating up, it's time to get up to temperature. As you can see, steady stream of steam coming out of the machine, good temperature, excellent pressure, and no leaks coming from the side. And there you have it, Saeco xelsis working once again. Saeco xelsis working once again. So thank you so much for the premium Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.